we only train what works. Very good sentence. Very good thing. My only question is that works for whom and works under what circumstances? Because the thing is that that sentence itself keeps in a sort of like an idea that in self-defense I could decide what I'm going to do. Because remember, if I have time to decide, I have to also think that, do I have time to actually get away? Do I have time to de-escalate? It's the same thing if you're going to a driver's school and you think that, okay, now there's gonna be a bear or a bison or a moose. Okay, then you're calmly going to do this and this because this works. Well, you know, anyone who's ever been in the situation that something big just runs to the road and you're right there. And the thing is that, okay, what is my flinching reaction here? It's going to be this and then this and so on. And my question is that, okay, do you actually train them under the circumstances, and do you actually train them so that it works for that person who is actually doing the defending? And yes, we must train what works, but then we also have to make it so that the circumstances where it works, the person who is doing the defending, it works for them, it is their natural reaction, and then we can pressure test it. And that's another subject that we have another video about. If you haven't seen it, go check it out.